Protein on a vegan diet. Can you really get enough protein on a vegan diet? If you think going plant-based means sacrificing your muscle gains, stick around. Today, we're diving deep into the world of vegan protein sources, and you might be surprised by what we find. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content on nutrition and healthy living. Let's get right into it. First, let's talk about why protein is a big deal in your daily nutrition. Protein is essential for muscle repair, enzyme production, immune function, hormone balance, and even as an energy source. It's a building block that your body needs to thrive. So how much do you actually need? The average adult requires about 46 grams of protein per day for women and 56 grams for men. But if you're hitting the gym hard, that number can go up. Now, here's the exciting part. What can you eat on a vegan diet to meet those protein goals? Let's check out 15 plant-based foods loaded with protein, ranked from highest to lowest. Number 1, seitan, 25 grams. It's a versatile wheat-based meat substitute. Number 2, tempeh, 19 grams. Tempeh has a nutty flavor and dense texture, perfect for stir-fries. Number 3, hemp seeds, 32 grams. These are a superfood packed with omega-3s. Number 4, nutritional yeast, 50 grams. It has a cheesy flavor, perfect for topping dishes. Number 5, black beans, 8 grams. Great in salads or as a burger base. Number 6, chickpeas, 9 grams. Versatile for salads and hummus. Number 7, quinoa, 8 grams. A complete protein and a great starch base. Number 8, tofu, 8 grams. Tofu takes on any flavor, super adaptable. Number 9, edamame, 11 grams, snackable and protein-rich, don't skip these. Number 10, lentils, 9 grams, perfect staple for soups and stews. Number 11, almonds, 21 grams, snack smart with these nutrient-dense nuts. Number 12, chia seeds, 17 grams. Tiny seeds packed with nutrients. Number 13, oats, 13 grams, a delicious and filling breakfast option. Number 14, peas, 5 grams, delightful in salads and curries. And finally, number 15, pumpkin seeds, 19 grams, a crunchy snack full of protein. Alright folks, let's dive into some delicious meal ideas that'll help you get excited about incorporating more protein into your diet. Now, it's easy to be overwhelmed by all these options, so let's whip up some meal ideas that get you excited about protein. For breakfast, how about an oatmeal bowl topped with chia seeds, almond butter and some fresh fruit? For lunch, a quinoa salad with black beans, and veggies could be your go-to. And don't forget snacks, just grab a handful of almonds or edamame. Before we wrap up, there's one crucial point every vegan should know. You need to supplement vitamin B12. Many plant-based foods do not provide this essential vitamin, which is vital for nerve function, red blood cell production, and DNA synthesis. A good B12 supplement will ensure you stay healthy while enjoying your vegan lifestyle. Now, a quick tip. While many vegan foods are protein-rich, not all are complete proteins. This means they may lack some essential amino acids, but worry not. Combining different sources like rice and beans or hummus and whole grain pita will give you everything you need. Now that you know how to meet your protein needs on a vegan diet, as well as the importance of vitamin B12, there's no reason to fear missing out. With so many delicious options at your fingertips, you can thrive while enjoying your meals. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know in the comments. What's your favorite vegan protein source? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time for more nutrition tips and tricks.